Hey there, I'm Paul. Today I want to talk about the awesome custom fields color labels. There are two main differences to the Jira standard labels. First of all, we have color. Second one, only admins can add labels, which prevents different labels for the same things. So let's see this in action. Create a custom field, choose color labels, enter a field name, Q&A, and then add some labels. Start with green for UI, code review, more technical stuff, and then purple for some texts. Hit next. Choose the SD project. And hit create. Let's see this in action. We now have no value here. We click on it. Choose code review and UI. Hit confirm. And now the person who is responsible for the text can see at a glance that there's no purple label and therefore nothing to do. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.